Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to link one of our main pages inside another one of our main pages. So we're going to make sure we need to see this prompt where it says write something or press space for AI/work commands. We are going to hit the forward slash on our keyboard so that our basic blocks can populate. Once they populate, we're going to look for something that says link to page, or you can also type it in at the top and it'll populate to the top. We're going to click on that. You'll see your little thumbnail. Now, the link to page is going to only be a list of pages that are already on our side panel to the left, and we can choose from here. Once we choose something, it's going to link that page. So I just picked the quick note, and when we hover over that, it'll also give us like a little preview. We can click on that, and that will bring us to our page. And you can see on the left side panel, we know what page we're in because it's more highlighted. So that is how you link a page inside of a page. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find this to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.